Welcome to my channel, Select Lifestyle. In this video, we will talk about house interior and exterior decor ideas. Exterior house decor holds profound significance beyond mere aesthetics. It serves as an embodiment of personal style, cultural heritage, and community identity. From the vibrant hues of painted facades to meticulously crafted adornments adorning doorways and windows, exterior decor encapsulates the essence of a home, reflecting the tastes and aspirations of its occupants. Beyond individual expression, it fosters a sense of belonging and connection within neighborhoods, where each home contributes to the tapestry of architectural diversity. Moreover, exterior decor possesses a timeless beauty, intertwining natural elements with human ingenuity to create visually captivating landscapes that evolve harmoniously with their surroundings. Thus, exterior house decor not only embellishes the physical structure but also enriches the emotional landscape, imbuing neighborhoods with charm and character for generations to come. The living room serves as the heart of a home, where inhabitants gather to unwind, connect, and create lasting memories. Its decor holds immense significance, not merely as an aesthetic expression but as a reflection of personal style, values, and comfort. Thoughtfully curated decor infuses warmth, personality, and harmony into the space, elevating mundane moments into extraordinary experiences. From carefully selected furniture pieces to artful accents, each element contributes to the room's ambience, fostering a sense of belonging and relaxation. Beyond its functional purpose, the beauty of living room decor lies in its ability to evoke emotions, spark conversations, and encapsulate the essence of home, making it a sanctuary where life stories unfold amidst a tapestry of design. The significance and beauty of kitchen decor extend far beyond mere aesthetics. It embodies the heart of a home's functionality and hospitality. A well-designed kitchen transcends its utilitarian purpose, becoming a space where culinary creativity thrives and cherished memories are made. It serves as a reflection of personal style and values, whether through sleek minimalist designs or cozy farmhouse aesthetics. Beyond its visual appeal, thoughtfully curated decor enhances efficiency and organization, fostering a sense of harmony and ease in daily tasks. From the warmth of rustic wooden accents to the elegance of modern appliances, every detail contributes to the kitchen's ambience, inviting loved ones to gather, share stories, and indulge in the joy of good food and company. It sets the stage for memorable gatherings and intimate conversations, infusing every meal with a touch of elegance and charm, making the kitchen not just a space for cooking, but a soulful expression of home and hospitality. Bedroom decor holds profound significance beyond mere aesthetics. It's a reflection of personal style, comfort, and sanctuary. The arrangement of furnishings, choice of colors, and embellishments intertwine to create an intimate space that mirrors one's innermost desires and dreams. Beyond its functional purpose, bedroom decor serves as a canvas for self-expression and rejuvenation, where every element contributes to a harmonious symphony of serenity. From the soft glow of bedside lamps, casting comforting shadows, to the gentle embrace of luxurious linens, each detail enhances the beauty of this intimate haven, nurturing a sense of peace and tranquility essential for restorative rest and revitalized beginnings. In the sanctuary of bedroom decor, every element whispers stories of solace and dreams yet to unfold. The significance and beauty of a bathroom extend beyond its practical function, transcending into a sanctuary for rejuvenation and self-care. It's a space where one can find solace, where the chaotic rhythms of life momentarily pause, and where both body and mind can be refreshed. Beyond its utilitarian purpose, a well-designed bathroom reflects individual style and aesthetic preferences, offering a canvas for creativity and personal expression. Its ambience, from the soothing colors to the delicate fragrances, creates an atmosphere conducive to relaxation and introspection. In this intimate space, the interplay of light and shadow, the smooth contours of fixtures, and the harmonious blend of materials converge to evoke a sense of tranquility and elegance, elevating the mundane act of daily hygiene into a ritual of self-indulgence and grace. In its essence, the bathroom embodies both functionality and finesse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Select Lifestyle to get more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching. We will meet with another informative video. Take care and goodbye.